Have been rolling on the lawn.
Rachel, Gretchen, come here. Come and say hi for the camera. You know, she took it. Gretchen, come here. Come here, Gretchen.
Jenny, what's wrong? Huh?
Rachel took that pacifier out of her mouth, which we don't even use pacifiers anymore.
You got other toys. Let her see the toy back. Oh, the toy? Okay. That's
The
good
duck.
Compromise. That's a cool duck.
Come here, Gretch. Come here.
Go show Mom.
Show me.
Show Mom the duck.
Can I see the duck? Come here. Let me see the duck. Is that the one that squirts? Hi, Gretchen. Hi. Oh, thank you. Do you want me to have it or do you want it back? This is the cute duck. Yeah. Hi, Rachel. Come here. Rachel, where are you going? Rachel, come here and say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Rachel, this way. Bye-bye this way.
Hi. Whoa!
Rachel, come here.
Warrants for the arrest of Khan and former Defense Minister Shalon have been sent to police agencies around the world, but there is not much chance of them being picked up and sent back to Iran.
Okay, there goes your sister. Whoa!